Hello and welcome, my friend. As every weekend, we came to analyze for you the Forex market and the opportunities as we saw, and we will enter in them. So if it's the first time of you here, please make sure to subscribe to our channel and turn the bell notification on to receive all our latest updates and videos. Also, we are a special YouTube channel all about trading. We put a weekly video analyzing the Forex market, a monthly video analyzing the Bitcoin, and a monthly video analyzing the stock market, my friend. So if you are interested, you can join us and benefit from all our analysis free. You don't need to pay nothing, my friend. And if you are someone who been a subscriber with us for some time, go down and smash that like button down to help us and to help YouTube algorithm to boost this channel. So my friend, as every weekend when we start the week, we go to my browser to show you the coming news. So let's go into my browser to show you the coming news, my friend. As you see, my friend, by the way, something very important here, because now also we are in the summer, the time here it changed to GMT +1, so you need to be aware of that. So in Monday, what we got at 130 US durable goods orders, 130 non-defense capital goods orders, 7:30 President Lagarde speech. Tuesday, what we got, same thing. Wednesday, what we got, at 2:30 after midnight, we got retail sales of the Aussie. Then at 1:30 afternoon, we got gross domestic product of USA, or the GDP of USA, my friend. Be aware of that one very much. Then after that, it's just rubbish stuff. In Thursday, what we got, my friend, at 7 o'clock in the morning, we got the GDP of UK. So be aware of that one, exactly for the people who trade in the British pound. Then we got the retail sales of Germany at 7 o'clock at the same time. So be aware of that one. People who trade the euro, be aware of that one. In Friday at 12:50 after midnight, we got manufacturing index of Japan. Then at 3 o'clock, we got the ISM manufacturing of USA. So be aware of those ones, my friend. Everything is too clear. You get the picture now. So it's going back to my broker to show you more, my friend. Here we are, my friend. The first pair we got is the EURUSD, and the EURUSD last week we used to be here exactly in that place. I told you from here it's going to go up. It went till here, till that place exactly. Then from there it stayed ranging all the week. My view to it, it will continue going up till it will touch in the upper of the triangle here. And from there it's going to drop again down. Then it's going to go another going up, my friend. Everything is too clear. Levels we got, my friend. First level here, 1.06639. Another level here, 1.05725. Another level here, 1.04585. And the last level here, 1.03538. Everything is too clear, my friend. So let me analyze for you the RSI for the picture to be more clear to you, my friend. Last week we used to be here. I told you it's going to make a correction. It doesn't. It stay all the week range in here. Then from here, is it here now? My view to it, it will go up till here at the overbought area. Then from there, it will drop again, my friend, to the oversold area. Everything is too clear. If you want us when exactly we enter, you can join us in Telegram. The link of our Telegram, you're going to find it down in the first comment, as you see it now in the picture, with our highly recommended course. By the way, if you're using that link in the first comment to go to our course, you're going to get 85% discount, my friend. The course, it costs $200. By using that coupon link down, the course is going to cost you only $13. That 85% discount, my friend. And by the way, that discount is only for 5 days. So be quick before you finish it. And by the way, that course is better than millions of courses. They are around the web, will costing $1,000 and $2,000. That course is going to take you step by step from scratch till you're going to be pro. It's going to teach you everything you want. Money management, trading strategy, how to open an account, how to deposit, everything is in that course. So I highly recommend that course to you, my friend. By the way, that's not our case. So let's dive in more, my friend. The other pair we got, my friend, it's the cable, my friend. The cable last week used to be here, exactly here in that level. I told you it's going to go up. It stay ranging all the week, as you see it here. My view to it this week, we are here in that level. My view to it will go upward till it touches the upper of the channel here. Then from there it will drop again. Then after that there is a big going up, my friend, but not yet now. Everything is too clear, my friend. Levels we got. First level here 1.26494. Another level here 1.24759. Another level here 1.22665. Another level here 1.21808. And the last level here 1.19614, my friend. Everything is too clear. You get the picture, my friend. So let me analyze for you the RSI for the picture to be more clear to you, my friend. Last week we used to be here. I told you it's going to make a correction. It doesn't. It stay all the week ranging as you see it here. Then my view to it this week, it will go upward till it will touch in the overbought area, my friend. Then from there it will drop again. If you remember us, we enter from here the 2 weeks ago. Everything is too clear. So that's it for the cable, my friend. The other pair we got, it's the Aussie, my friend. The Aussie last week we used to be here. I told you it's going to go up. It went up till here. Then from there it dropped again. Then now it came off. My view to it, it will go upward till it will touch in here that level. There is no enter short only if it touch in that level here. Remember it. When it will touch it, then we enter short. Now is only for long, my friend. Everything is too clear. You get the picture. So the levels we got, my friend. First level here 0.72473. Another level here 0.71837. Another level here 0.71011. Another level here 0.70078. Another level here 0.69129. And the last level here 0.68563, my friend. Everything is too clear. You get the picture. So let me analyze for you the RSI for the picture to be more clear to you, my friend. Used to be here last week. I told you it's going to drop. It doesn't. It's only stay here ranging. Then now is it in the trend line. My view to it, it will go upward till it will touch in here the overbought area. Then from there it will drop again, my friend. Everything is too clear. You get the picture, my friend. So that's it for the Aussie, my friend. The other pair we got, it's USD Japanese yen. That one last week we used to be here exactly in that level. I told it will go up till it will touch in the upper of that channel, and that's what it did exactly. It touches here in that level as you see it, my friend, here. Then it came down as you see it now. My view to it, it will continue till it will touch in the down of that channel here. Then from there you can enter long. Now is only for short, my friend. Everything is too clear. You get the picture, my friend. The levels we got, my friend. First level here 136.236. Another level here 133.792. Another level here 131.754. And the last level here 130.110, my friend. Everything is too clear. Get the picture. So let me analyze for you the RSI for the picture to be more clear to you, my friend. Last week we used to be here in the RSI, my friend. I told you it's going to go upward till it will touch in here the overbought area, and that's what it did exactly. Touch it here, then from here it drop. My view to it, it will continue till dropping down here, my friend. And by the way, if you see here, what is it? Here and here. Is it a divergence, my friend? And that one is a big signal. The price is going to fall down, my friend. Everything is too clear. So that's it for USD Japanese yen, my friend. The other pair we got is the gold, my friend. The gold last week used to be here. I told you it needs to fall down to touch that level, and that's what it did the last week till here. Maybe it's going to fall down till here down, then from here it will go up, or another scenario. From here where it is now is going to go upward, my friend. Everything is too clear. You get the picture. Levels we got, my friend, in the gold. First level here 1932.59. Another level here 1903.47. Another level here 1873.65. Another level here 1844.62. Another level here 1820.25. And the last level here 1796.83, my friend. Everything is too clear. So let me analyze for you the RSI for the picture to be more clear to you, my friend. Last week we used to be here. I told you from here it needs to drop to touch the oversold area. It doesn't. It's only staying here ranging as you see it. My view to it, it will fall down till it touches the oversold area. By the way, if you want when us exactly we're interested at, you can join us in Telegram where we give him free signals, my friend. We give him free signals, first target, second target, third target, stop loss, everything in our Telegram channel, my friend. Everything is too clear? So that's it for the gold, my friend. The other pair we got, my friend, it's Dragon, my friend, or British Pound Japanese Yen. That one last week used to be here. I told you it need to go up until it touch in here, then from here it will drop. By the way, that one also we enter in it short, and you can find it in our Telegram channel. It fell down till that level here. We take 50%. Then it came up. A view to it is going to come down till here, my friend. Everything is too clear. You get the picture, my friend. So levels we got, my friend. The first level here 167.876. Another level here 164.679. Another level here 161.870. And that one here 159.863, my friend. Everything is too clear. You get the picture, my friend. If you hasn't, go down and write for us a comment and we will reply you anything you don't understand it in this analysis, my friend. So let me analyze for you the RSI for the picture to be more clear to you, my friend. Last week we used to be here. I told you it's going to go up. That's what it did. It touch here. We enter short. Now my view to it, it will continue down till it touch in here the oversold area. That when we are going to take the profit, all of it, my friend. Everything is too clear. Then also we will enter from here long again, my friend. Everything is too clear, my friend. So that's it, my friend, for this week. See you in the next week. Bye for now, my friend.